everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacchino. This is recorded around 4:10 p.m. Central Time, December 13th. So, Dash US dollar ran up, just missing our key level, 952. We said target about 950, came up to 948, sold back down. Here's another example of a cluster with a moving average, top of the rotation zone, and the 50% GAN level. Came right down, tapped it. Also, key breakout zone. Let me show you key breakout zone right there. So we had a breakout zone, rising top of the rotation zone, and 50% retracement. Came down there, then rotated back up on a shorter term chart. Let's check that out real quick. Let's check out the 4-hour chart. So there it came into the rotation zone on the 4-hour, right in there, and rotated back up. Tested this again right now. This is forming a potential double top. We should probably mark that off in case we do get a close below the base. See this key level. Why doesn't that work? Here we go. There. And then we have to put on our key levels for the doubles to watch for. So, and this, oh, look at how nice this looks. So if we do get a close below this key cluster right down here, about 785, the targets for the doubles come in. We have another cluster down here around 700 for the first target of the double and a retracement level, then 661, then another cluster down here at 620. So watch for that. Then those would be areas you'd be looking for rotations or reversal patterns to initiate a buy. Let's switch back to the daily chart on DASHCOIN. What we're going to do now, we already know that these levels were pretty much hit, beside missing the top one by 4. So we're just still level at this 952, but we're going to take that off for now and just do another projection from this last low swing to here. Should we head higher again? And we want to look at just the 12 and the 25% GAN box levels for that to see where those take us should we not trigger the double. And you see that first target on the double, by the way, from the 4-hour chart is right at the bottom of the rotation zone. So that would be a very key level to watch for should it trigger and this not continue up right now. Next key level is this 969, which was on the chart before. Then we have 989, then 1030. That's what we have for right now in DASHCOIN. Switching over to EOS. EOS did hit our next key levels up and then stalled out here just above those levels. It's actually found a nice, there's a lot of resistance up here at the 665. You see close there, sell off, close there, sell off. And we have very key support down at the prior breakout zone and the 50% level. So we have very key support about this $5.90 to $6 area, rising rotation zone. So if we do get above the 665, we're then watching for a quick return to 679, then 710, then we have 740 and 770 above there. Should this 50% level and the prior breakout zone not hold, then we'd be looking for first return to about 560 and then a potential return to about 528. Those are the key levels we can watch for another rotation back up. Let's remove this other level and now check in on the daily on EOS. So you see the 8s coming up to help push the price. This is still very overextended, so we can still get the bigger pullback. So just keep that in mind. And finally, let's do another very quick check-in with Ethereum. Please check out the video that came out earlier today. It's trading clusters, but it also does some Ethereum analysis. You can see we're holding right at this cluster, 658 to 661. Came down, tested it again, rising, moving average coming into that area. Still not a fantastic rotation back up. If we do break down for there, we'll be watching for about 615 to 620 and then possibly back to 570. But you can also check out the key levels from the video. They are all still the same. Just wanted to point out how this key cluster has held so far. So a shorter term trader, somebody trading off maybe a 15-minute or hourly chart might have taken advantage of it. There's nothing we were doing just yet there. So that's what we have for you. That was DASHCOIN, Ethereum, and EOS. Please like us, subscribe to us, comment, and have fun trading the cryptocurrencies. Bye for now.